It's March 11th, 2017, and we're at Delray Junction in Detroit, Michigan. Our first train of the afternoon is a Conrail Shared Assets Officer Special utilizing a Canadian Pacific ES44 AC for power. They are heading south on the Conrail Detroit line with the CEO of Conrail on board. The train is required to stop and flag at Dearborn Street because of an activation failure. This train, running as OCS 11, was giving the Conrail CEO one last look at the railroad before he retired shortly after this run. It was originally supposed to have a Norfolk Southern GE and the Canadian Pacific locomotive that was used. However, the NS motor was sidelined at the last minute. As they clear southbound, they are met by a CSX intermodal heading for the Livernois yard. After getting to the Conrail Drawbridge, they reversed direction northbound. They stopped and flagged the crossing again, and then met CP freight train number 244. With the OCS cleared, CP 244 heads west for NS's Oakwood Yard. On our way to the freeway, we caught a Conrail freight train with a CSX SD40-2 for power. This train was running east from Schaefer Junction. Our final train of the evening was CP-244 once again, this time caught at speed at Romulus, Michigan. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, do not forget to subscribe for future railfanning videos.